Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Samaj International. How are you all? Basics of Chemistry Lecture 3. Where we were, what we were doing so far, how many concepts we have discussed, science, matter, all the things on the earth, and physics, biology, and finally, why all the matter is called, all the things are called matter. Why all the things are called matter? All the living things and the non-living things. This is lecture number 3. And we arrived at a conclusion that all the things are called matter because all the things are made up of particles. Just like all the walls are made up of bricks. That's why all the walls are called walls because they are made up of bricks. That's likewise all the things are called matter because all the things are made up of particles. Now, lecture number 3, what is this particle? Particle. Before going to start this particle, now let me ask a question. Human being, who you are, a human being. You belongs to India, you belongs to Pakistan, you belongs to Africa, you belongs to America, you belongs to Europe. You are a male, you are a female, you are a eunuch, no matter. But you all are human beings. We all are human beings, right? We all are human beings. We have multiple names. We have multiple names. Likewise, this particle means atom is a particle, molecule is a particle, atom is a particle, molecule is a particle, subatomic particles, the particles which make an atom, and atoms are the particle which make another big particle called molecule, and the subatomic particles are divided into two categories, the elementary particle and the composite particle. The elementary particle are also called fundamental particles. These particles which are not made up of any other particle are called elementary particles, like electron. Electron is an elementary particle because it is not made up of further particles. That's why it is called an elementary particle. Composite particle, the particles which are made up of other than some other particles like proton and neutron. Neutron, proton are not elementary particles, they are composite particles. Why? Because they are made up of some other particles, like the neutron is made up of some quarks and the proton is made up of some quarks as well. Now the quarks are the particle, electron, proton are the particles, molecule is a particle, atom is a particle, photon is a particle, neutrino is a particle. All these are called particles. Why? Because they all are very small. To the point, and simple answer is that they all are very small. That's why they are called particle. And all the matter, no matter, living matter or non-living matter, all the matter, no matter visible or invisible, all the matter, no matter, solid, liquid or gas, are made up of these particles, like this atoms, molecules, subatomic particles, electron, proton, neutron. Got it? That's why all the things are called matter because all the things are made up of particles. Likewise, all the walls are made up of bricks. That's why all the walls are called walls. Very simple. So, The particle word is clear now. Three states of matter are there: solid, liquid and gas. Let's take an example. How these particles join and make things. Now, the combination of particles is necessary to make matter. What I said, all the particles are combined and make a matter. For example, water is matter. Okay, fine. If water is matter, then water is made up of particles. Which type of particle? Three types of atoms. Which type of particles? Molecules. What is the name of those molecules? H2O. If the water is made up of molecules, and molecules, what is this molecule? Molecule is a group of atoms. So water is made up of molecules and the molecules are made up of atoms. That's why the molecule is called simply group of atoms. Now there are two types of atoms. Those atoms which belongs to a family called hydrogen and those atoms which belong to a family called oxygen. Got it? So this is a brief explanation of this word particle and why all the matter are called matter, why all the things are called matter, just because all the things are made up of particles. Okay, fine. Now, in our next lecture number 4, we will classify all these particles. And we will select this very important particle called atom. Be with me. We are going to classify all the types of atoms. And another very important question, all the things are different with each other. Very important question, listen to me. All the things are different with each other. For example, this board is different than me. You are different than me. Your brother is different than you. All the things are different with each other. But all the things are called matter, although all the things are made up of particles. The same particles. Those electrons, proton, neutron, atoms, molecules. But the surprising is that all the things are made up of particles, but all the things are different with each other. How is it possible? How is it possible that this board is made up of particles? I am made up of particle and the marker is made up of particle, but these three things are quite different with each other, with different properties. How is it possible? Why? Because if you are saying that the wall is made up of brick, that no matter if a wall is present in America, then definitely that wall will be made up of brick. If the wall is present in Pakistan, then definitely the wall is made up of bricks. But all the walls are same. Try to understand this question. All the walls are same. Why all the walls are same? Because all the walls are made up of bricks. But all the matter is made up of particles, but all the matter is different with each other. Listen to me carefully. How is it possible? All the walls are same because all the walls are made up of bricks. But all the matter is different with each other, although all the matter is made up of particles. How is it possible? You need to classify all the atoms. If you really wish to understand this phenomena, wait for my next video, lecture number 4, in which we will discuss the classification of atoms. Take care of yourself. Again, Samaj International. No like, no subscribe, only share.